Oh, this lady's not gonna live, and the horses, they're gonna die. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching season 2 of The Lord of the Rings, The Rings of Power. And so I'm just gonna keep this really short. I remember a lot of what happened in season 1. I think I watched a recap recently, but it was just like various scenes, whatever. But it was basically like, so Sauron was cosplaying as Halbrand, and then um, Galadriel found him after she decided not to go to Valinor, and so they did an adventure thing. They went to Numenor, and then eventually that led to them going to whatever the places and then that place eventually became Mordor after the volcano erupted. After that, corrupted elf guy led the orcs and they did the thing, and the volcano erupted and everything, and bada 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 boom. That's and there was Isildur and when his father, Isildur's father, I don't remember Isildur's father's name. But and then also what happened is there was the elf, and he was with the lady and the thing, and they were part of the group of the village and everything. And then all of this happened, and then there was a stranger who 90% liked to be Gandalf, and he was with a halfling, and all this happened. So that's basically gist of it. I didn't explain that well, but if you watched it, you'd know. Yeah, so let's just get into season 2. I've heard some mixed things on this before I've even watched, but we're not gonna get into that. So Sauron has returned, cast out by Galadriel. The Dark Lord must now rely on his own cunning to rebuild his strength and forge the legendary rings of power, threatening to bind all peoples of Middle Earth to his sinister will. Season 2 plunges its most beloved characters into a rising tide of darkness, challenging each other to find his or her place in a world on the brink of calamity. Oh, right, 3 episodes out. And also they crafted the 3 Elven rings at the end of last season with Celebrimbor and Elrond, and oh right, there was the dwarves last season, Elven with the dwarves, and yeah. A lot happened. And a lot more is gonna happen. Let's see how much I like it. Let's get into it.
It's proved Sauron escaped. The question now is where?
The evil is gone.
Then why is it not gone from in here?
These heroes shall...
Yeah, I'm watching the recap because I need to remember. So yeah, next time you see me, it'll be when the episode starts. Okay. That was an interesting transition from the dark to now. Yeah, okay. I did that.
Shadow takes another shape and grows again.
Wait, is that the crown we see him in the Lord of the Rings?
Under me, your new master, Sauron.
Oh, this is the past. Okay.
Forge a new and perfect order. No longer will we be hunted as the demons who broke. Rule them all as one.
Oh, there's descent.
Worthy only to be hunted and slaughtered.
Oh. Hey. That was stupid.
I am your only future! And my path, your only path! Who among you dare say otherwise?
Nobody now, I think. Nobody now. Oh wait, is this supposed to be that that guy that we saw last time?
Hayuk Zambat. Dolbolum Bor Zikli.
Yeah, it's a new actor playing him, I think. Oh, wow.
Yuk!
Yeah, Adar, that's his name. Okay, cool. Adar, right. Oh, wait, is this the place that we saw at the start of season 1 where Galadriel will and that's why it was in ice? I wonder. You can't kill Sauron that easily. Is it pulling it into a new body? Or what? Okay, he's gonna burst out of this rock, I think. Or the water. Not what I expected, but similar enough. Oh, this lady's not gonna live, and the horses, they're gonna die. Yep, like I thought. Oh, that horse is lucky. It escaped. Oh, that's a great shot. I like that one. I like that one. With the red on his face and everything. Yeah. He wants revenge. All of that.
A symbol of kings long dead.
Your family?
No. My family served them. It's a reminder that our fates are never certain, that fortunes can turn for even the most powerful.
Alright. Prophetic.
Grim reminder.
Or a hopeful one.
Well, this guy's gonna die.
A sure path may crumble, but
That's the only way Sauron's gonna get this the item, because he has it in season 1. Okay, so that's how he ends up on the ship. I see. And it's this shipwreck that Galadriel catches up onto in episode 1 of last season.
all of us have done things that we care not to admit.
Oh no, he's done actual evil, bro.
Not like I have.
Yeah, trust me.
Grab hold of something.
Okay, it's afraid of him. Smart. Saved itself. Okay, so that's like Lord of the Rings trilogy where they did a backstory like we did with Smeagol. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Megin savolain riskiathon istoli living.
I will believe you when I no longer see the lie behind your eyes. Now, who is this man?
He's not a man.
He is no man. He is Sauron.
exclaimed in Sindarin.
I was deceived.
No, Galadriel, you were blind. Blinded by your own pride.
And what frailty blinded you, Elrond?
Nordinen.
What other path did your failure at Khazad-dûm leave us with but this?
You were my friend! Dinan!
The rings, Elrond. It is a command from your kin. I will not utter it again.
Ubelin Karadhan.
Okay, what are you gonna do then?
Sticky Ubelin.
Gentlot.
Elrond, no!
Bro, it's serious. I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah, people hated this last time when Southland changed it to Mordor. I liked it. I don't know, it was cool. I liked it. It was cool to me.
Move those legs, King!
Oh, so he let himself get captured. Were those orcs eating a horse? I think they were.
Here, lads, you swear allegiance to Adar, Lord Father of the Orcs. But is the Southlands no more? In Mordor you bow, or you bleed. The King of the Southlands turned himself in, Lord Father. Says he wants to negotiate.
Let my people go. Or yours will die.
There is no one left for us to fear.
Wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Or I will spill the words from your throat.
If I die, all that I know dies with me.
Exactly.
You can't kill me.
In time, you will beg me to.
Wait, I thought this guy was with Nori. Well, that's convenient.
Got that look in your eye.
Oh wait, was that a flashback or something? Or like a vision?
You had that dream again last night.
Oh, okay. Of a dream. Cool, cool.
Queen.
Well, that did not work. I actually thought it was gonna work. I'm surprised it didn't.
We did it! We'll eat for days!
Oh. Oh, okay. I thought it was like fruit, but no, it's bugs. Alright. Yay, yummy.
Delicioso, which means delicious in Spanish.
Feel the legs and the throat.
That's the best part. They're dancing.
It is quite all right for a half-foot to miss home.
Alright, that's what they're called. Harfoots. What, you see something?
It appears we're being followed.
You tell old Walltrick everything you know about Sauron.
After Lord Father releases me, I'm going to kill you.
Adar doesn't even remember you're here.
Is gonna use the bone to kill them? Or is he gonna use the bone to entice the creature? Oh, interesting to see what he does. Okay, so he did what? But he did more. He used some black speech on him. Alright.
Perfection exists only in Valinor.
Thank you, Master Kid.
Yeah. Círdan, the shipwright.
It is to be given directly to Lord Celebrimbor. He must be informed that Halbrand is Sauron.
The rings may well be a ploy on his part. A device in some larger plan, the end of which we cannot yet see.
Yeah, they are. You're right there.
These rings into its depths. They...
Oh, that's why the lights, because it was a lighthouse.
I have come to coax you willingly. If I fail, the High King will see you removed by force.
Or was the darkness calling to you? Can you not see? All this may be by his design.
I did what I felt was right. And time alone will reveal whether that was folly or wisdom.
Yep, I get it. I get her.
Where are the rings? Poppy?
Oh. There is definitely somebody else following them though. I'm glad they've included Poppy in this. You know, it gives a little, it gives more. Oh, they made it nice.
Like you've been here before.
He has.
Only in dreams.
Yeah. In his dreams, he has. Okay, who's this dude? Oh, it's more than one of them. Oh, okay.
I was in your place once.
Oh, with Galadriel? I guess.
In the eldest of the elder
Oh,
days.
my bad. Not that. Cool.
Sauron's face. And it was beautiful. Your people have been set free. Now tell me what you know of Sauron.
Did he kill them? That's how he set them free?
You vow allegiance to J.R.R, Lord Father of the Uruks.
Is he gonna say yes?
Yes.
Wise play.
I vow.
With your head at my feet.
I vow to serve the Lord of Mordor to the end of my days.
Look at that cheeky smile. Love it. I love that.
No, I'm going to kill you. Is that right, Your Majesty?
He got his revenge. Love that for him. He's a bad guy, but he got his revenge. Can't not that at all.
And so it has come to pass. Our days in Middle-earth are ended.
And now Círdan comes in with the rings.
Perfection does not exist only in Valinor, High King. Celebrimbor has brought it to Middle-earth.
Yes. Cause it's Círdan, Gil-galad, and Galadriel who were the rings at this time, I think. The light is no longer faded.
Who turned on the lights? Oh!
Okay, I thought it was gonna be Halbrand dressed as Sauron dressed as
Do we grant him entry?
the elf. Alright, interesting way to end that episode. Okay.
I have seen mountains crumbling.
Okay. After that trailer, I see why this is 3 episodes, because I think they couldn't fit everything into 1 episode to catch us up. Alright. This is basically like a setup episode. I think I'll have to judge it after seeing all 3 episodes in one. Which is a shame, because I was watching a video before I watched this. There was some Captain Midnight things like about modern streaming and stuff like that. It's like a movie rather than like episodic and stuff like that. And this is something like that. But then like it was talking about like old shows. But then like, yeah, I had multi-part episodes in old TV and stuff. So yeah, but because the breadth of this show is so big, what they're trying to do, you can see why they needed a 3-parter to start the season. But last season they did a 2-parter, and like, okay, that was fine. But now it's a 3-parter. I'm not sure. I guess I'll say at the end why they need a 3-part rather than 2. Because at this episode we picked up back with Galadriel and Elrond, and also the Stranger and Nori. Also Sauron, but we didn't see any of that. The other elf, I don't remember his name. We also saw Adar. And the Numenorians, we didn't see them either. So those people are still to come. But yeah, so there's a new actor for Adar. The old actor, I liked him, so that's a shame that he's not there. The new guy, okay, he's doing fine so far, so I'm not gonna hate it. Nothing to clown on with the acting or anything that I've seen so far. They've all gotten the haughtiness, I don't know if that's the right word, of elves so far, so that's good for them. We got to see why Adar said he killed Sauron, how that worked out, and how Sauron came back to being himself. But himself is a new guise from who he was before. Trying to take over after Morgoth got defeated, because the same dawn of the Second Age. But the First Age ended when Morgoth got defeated. Okay, so I haven't read like deep into the lore or anything, but I know that they enough to have an idea. And then like with the Numenorians, they form the kings in the form of Gondor and Arnor, and then that's why you have Sirius, Minas Tirith, and then you have Minas, I don't know, Ungol or something. That's why it's Sirith Ungol. I don't remember. And then because that Green Tower thing that we saw where Frodo was in the Return of the King, that used to be like a capital city of the second it was Arnor instead of Gondor and Arnor. Yeah, all of that. So right there, appendices. But yes, okay, so only once or twice. So, but I remember that enough because I linked it to a memory of the movie and whatever. Yeah. So this in the first episode, we didn't get introduced to all the characters. We didn't get introduced back to all the characters and everything because of how this is set up. It's in 2 parts, it's in 3 parts. So I will just say yeah, I'm trying to keep this brief because in order to give like a full proper review, I have to watch all 3, like I said, I'm saying. Yeah, so this time I'm just trying to judge it by its own merits. Did a decent job of like telling us where everything is. So we know that we introduced the Kurdan, the shipwreck, and we see how God, when he was trying to destroy the rings and he saw it and he's like, oh damn, this thing is amazing. I can't destroy this. And so he keeps it and he takes one for himself and he's trying to give the other one to Gil-galad and it falls directly to Galadriel and she takes it up and Gil-galad takes the one and then the light is returned to the elves. So they no longer have to leave and Gil-galad sent a message to Celebrimbor to warn him that Halbrand is Sauron, but Sauron reached first before that message. Next thing, obviously because otherwise we saw how he deceives Celebrimbor to bring Anatar in that trailer thing there, right? And so outside of that, so Sauron goes back to Mordor. He's trying to win the favor of Adar, and he does that. He suffers. He gets tortured and everything. He wins favor with Adar. He gets revenge on Waldrick for beating him. And he now has this mission to win the favor of the elves for Adar. And Adar tried to get him to vow to him, but he vowed to the Dark Lord, and he views himself as the Dark Lord. So he was vowing to himself to serve himself. So that's why he got out of that one. So clever guy. But yeah, that's it. Nori and the stranger, Poppy joins them, but we see it was not just Poppy following them. I thought it was just one other person following them, but it turns out it was 2 persons following them. Persons or things following them. And so we are going to find out how that plays out later. I did not like the lighting in this episode. It was kind of dark, too much at places, and it was okay. So I could understand why the lighthouse was shining and the light was flickering, but the light was flickering too much, and all of it, it's like faded from dark to light and stuff too much. I don't know, why did they do that? I didn't like that. Okay, I like the stylic choice when it was dark in some places, but it was too dark. And then I was not a fan of that. So I had to. That's a down for me for that. But as the story, like I said, can't judge it too much. The acting was fine, everything, visuals, they're top notch, all of that. But except for the lighting, I had an issue with the lighting. This isn't a vibe for me. It felt very much like Game of Thrones, where they made the darkness too much unnecessarily. Like, come on, bro, come on. But yeah, otherwise, fine. We'll see how it pans out more in episode 2. Yeah, goodbye.